Hello everyone. Today I decided to make a short tutorial video on Turck Service Tool. So before really diving into what Turck Service Tool is capable of, I want to first show you how to download it. So if you go to the Turck website, turck.us.com, and in the upper right hand corner, if you just type in Turck Service Tool, you'll be able to search for the device, and it'll be called Product Turck Service Tool. And if you click on it once, you'll be able to see under download, under configuration software, you'll see the download link for downloading Turck Service Tool. So here's what Turck Service Tool looks like. And so what Turck Service Tool does is it searches for all Turck devices on your network. So let's click the search button here. It's the magnifying glass button. And as you can see, it's displaying all the different IP addresses that I have connected to my PC. So all the Turck IP addresses. So you could see the IP address, the net mask, the gateway, and then the names of all the different Turck devices that I have connected to my PC. So one of the best features of Turck Service Tool is the ability to easily change the IP address of a Turck device you have connected to your network. So let's say I wanted to change the IP address of one of these blocks. So I wanted to change the IP address of this TBENS2-4AI. All I do is click on the device, it'll highlight blue, go to change, and let's say I wanted to change this to the last octet to be 24. All I do is change the number here and go set in device. And as you can see, as I search the network again, the IP address for that TBENS2 will now be 192.168.1.24. So it makes changing the IP address of a device very quick and simple. Another really great feature you could do is you could do a factory reset on the device. So let's say you're troubleshooting and you just want to start from scratch. You could just select the device, go to Actions, and then just click Factory Reset. Another thing you could do is you could wink at the device. So if you have a lot of different Turck devices on your network and it's difficult to find, let's say you have dozens of devices on your network and you're trying to do diagnostics on one device, you could wink at the device by just selecting it and then clicking the wink function. So with our devices, there's a special LED on our blocks. So when you wink at the device, the LED will flash. So this makes finding a block very quick and simple on a network. So right now I'm winking at the TBENS2-4AI. So let's take a look at what that looks like on the block. So as you can see here, we have the different devices that I've connected to my PC on this demo board. And right here, if you look closely at the TBENS2-4AI, there's a flashing LED because I have the wink function selected. Now back in Turck Service Tool, let's turn off the wink function on the TBENS2-4AI and kind of take a look at some of the other functions. Another really interesting thing you could do is you can copy all the IP addresses that are listed in Turck Service Tool by going to clipboard and then copy IP address. Another thing that comes in handy every once in a while is the ability to change the language. You can change the language in Turck Service Tool from German to English and vice versa. You could also check to see if your device, your block, is running RG. So in this column here, you'll see all the different devices that are running RG. There's an RG column, and you'll see the device that first support RG, which are going to be all the block I/O devices, the multi-protocol block I/O devices that Turck offers. And then you'll also see, in this case, we have the TBENS2 2RFID 4DXP that's running an RG project. So if we wanted to delete that project, we could actually select the device, go into this RG selection here, and delete the program. and that'll give you this prompt, and if you want to delete the program, you just select yes. That'll delete the RG program off the device. So that's all I really wanted to show you with Turck Service Tool today. If you have any questions on Turck Service Tool, feel free to get in contact with me. Thanks for watching.